years now and have grown into your role. Can you share a specific experience that made you realize that Comco is the right place for your career?
Na-realize ko na Comco is the right place for my career nung napansin ko na nag-enjoy naman ako sa work ko. Naniniwala kasi ako sa saying na do what you love and love what you do. And thankfully, dito sa Comco, nagagawa ko siya. So, bawat experiences ko, bawat campaigns, bawat events, ang dami kong natututunan and bagong learnings. Nandito kasi si Comco to guide me and to mentor me. Ang dami kong nalalapitan ng mga tao ay napagtatanungan. And super swerte ko kasi ang dami kong natututunan sa kanila. Actually, part din ako ng Camp Comco, yung Camp Comco Mentorship Program. So, bawat sessions doon kasi may different topics. So, masaya kasi kahit na nag-work ako, natututo din ako. So, dahil din doon siguro, kaya mas naging madali yung work ko. Kasi kahit na mag-isa ako sa work, syempre, hindi naman lahat ng task ko may kasama ako. Dahil sa Camp Comco, mas may idea ako sa kung ano yung mga dapat kong ginagawa.
What makes Comco special to you, and how has being part of the team shaped your professional and personal growth?
Honestly, dahil sa Comco, masasabi ko na nag-grow talaga ako professionally and personally. Kasi ang dami kong mga learnings na bago talaga. Tsaka yung mga dating hindi ko ginagawa ko na ngayon. And thanks to Comco kasi hindi ko naman magagawa yung mga bagay na yon if it weren't for Comco and sa mga taong nag-guide sa akin dito. So super thankful talaga ako and super laking part ng journey ko si Comco kasi kung wala naman ako sa Comco, I don't think eto ako ngayon.
How has handling different clients shaped your approach to communications and marketing?
Honestly, working with different clients made me flexible and strategic. Iba-iba kasi yung personalities ng client and iba-iba yung brand story nila. So, need mo talagang malaman bawat client and bawat brand kung ano yung fit sa kanila para mas makakapag-connect ka sa kanila and makonect mo sila sa audiences nila.
So, do you have a favorite campaign or project that stands out to you?
Siguro ang pinaka-favorite ko na campaign is with the EU delegation to the Philippines, yung European Higher Education Fair. So, tong event na to kasi, nagbibigay siya ng opportunity sa students to study abroad. So, for me, very meaningful and fulfilling siya kasi di lang ako nag-work, parang feeling ko nakakatulong din ako sa mga students na magbigay opportunity sa mga career din nila.
How has planning and executing events shaped your perspective on PR and brand storytelling?
PR and events really taught me that storytelling isn't just about words. It's also about experiences. PR and events kasi bawat part ng event like program, event flow, script, part kasi talaga siya ng brand story. So every detail talaga is important. And dito ko na-realize na PR and events isn't just about sharing a message but also creating memories na mas matatandaan and mafe-feel ng audience mo.
So can you share a memorable event that you managed that had a big impact on the brand or audience?
Siguro ang pinaka-memorable na event na na-handle ko is yung Korea Travel Fiesta. Kasi super daming taong nagpunta. As in, first time ko ata magkaroon ng event na ganun kalaki and ganun karami yung audience. Tapos, very meaningful din siya kasi siya yung naging reason kung bakit nakasama ako sa Comco Away Days sa Korea. So, after kasi ng event na yon, I think naisipan ni Coach na mag-Korea. And thankfully, nakasama ako. So, nung last March, nakasama ako sa Korea. And ayun, nakapag-Korea ako. Super fan kasi talaga ako ng Korean culture. So, sobrang thankful ako sa event na yon and syempre kay Comco kasi nakasama ako doon.
How does your love for Korean music and fandom culture influence your creativity or approach to work? And do you find inspiration in your hobbies that bring into your professional life?
Being a K-pop fan actually helped me in so many ways. Yung fandom culture kasi it's built on passion and connection which communication is all about. So dito ko na-apply yung idea na dapat mararamdaman ng audiences mo yung message and authenticity ng campaigns mo just like how idols do with their fans. Kasi yung fans, diba, grabe yung connection nila with their idol. Actually, yung K-pop, it also helped me to think creatively kasi grabe yung storytelling nila. From visuals, concept, and yung teams nila, sobrang gaganda. So parang it helped me and pushed me to think outside of the box pagdating sa mga campaigns ko. Gusto ko same level ng energy, same level ng message, yung mga magiging campaigns ko.
What are some key lessons that you've learned, and what advice would you give to graduating students who plan to start their career in PR, events management, and communications?
Siguro one of the best lessons I've learned is to always stay curious and be open to learning. PR and events kasi can really be fast-paced. Pero kasi kapag alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo or alam mo kung bakit mo ginagawa yun, mas magiging meaningful yung work mo. So, ang advice ko naman for fresh grads, don't be afraid to start small. Kahit gano'ng kasimpleng task pa yan, kahit gano'ng kaliit yan, pwede ka kasing matuto. So, need mong maghanap ng mentors mo and don't be afraid to ask questions. Tapos, always put creativity and heart sa work mo. Kasi sa industry na to, passion and authenticity will really take you far.